Yeah, hey, what is up, everybody, man? I just got off work, like always. It is well, I don't have my watch, but it is. Well, I can't see the time. Oh, yep, 4:50 a.m. But take a look, man. I've been on the hunt for this set, the Too Fast. I mean, the Fast and the Furious. Yeah, man. Finally got to this set. Um, yeah, man. So glad I came. Um, but yeah, well, there's gonna be a set for me, taking one home, and let's see what else they got, man. Real quick, man, nothing new. Not that I've been hunting lately, cause it is hot, man. It is really hot. We're hitting the high hundreds, and I know a lot of people were commenting how, like, why I haven't uploaded any videos or made any videos, and that's the reason, man. I haven't even go hunt. And well, like you guys know, I mean, got my two little ones, and so it's too hot for them to be out in the streets or on the road. And though I do have my AC blasting, I just don't like them going from hot to cold, from hot to cold. But yeah. Anyways, man, I don't see anything else new. Yeah, the M2s are pretty much the same. The trucks, though, look at this Chevy Apache step side. Very cool looking Ram. Very nice. And there's a Hummer H1 and a Toyota Tundra. And Abel Cantu just replied to my comment just right now on Facebook, so that you guys know that this is the real time, 4:50 a.m. or so. But anyways, man, yeah, let's see. This is one. This is. Let me go by order. It's just I don't even have space over here. There's some mystery models. But let me get the 1 through 6, and then I'll display it somewhere, because there's hardly any room to put it down here. But give me a second. Well, they're not displayed, but here they are, man. Number 1 out of 6. This Buick Grand National, and I see that the hood comes off just like the one casting that I got from the flea market. And take a look at this beauty, man. The Mazda RX-7. I'm gonna just go ahead and be here real quick, show you guys the artwork. Take a look. Very nice, shiny. The RX-7. This is the Fast and the Furious. The other one was just Fast and Furious. But yeah, this white one, no tampos on the front or the back, which is a bummer. That really is a bummer. I have not seen this one, actually. I have not seen this casting. But well, JDM though, you know what I'm saying. Check out this one. This is a cool casting too. Mitsubishi Lancer Evo. Very nice. And as well, no tampos on the back or the front. But this is from the Too Fast and the Too Furious. Very iconic. And this is from the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift, the Monte Carlo. Very nice as well, man. This one doesn't, well, the chrome takes away the need for those tampos on the front or the back, honestly. And the Fast 5. Yeah. Take a look, man. If only those were real riders. Damn, those would be some sick real riders. Those type of rims. You know what I'm saying? Damn, this one came out clean with the red, I mean, not red, black carbon fiber hood. Damn, that thing looks clean and very detailed. Very similar to, I mean, even the headlights, man. Take a look at the headlights. It's crazy. And there's no tampons on the back, but I mean, if you would have put them on the back, I mean, just by looking at the front, this thing was really clean. So definitely needed tampons on the front and the back. And this is the Chevrolet Impala, man. Yeah, very clean. And like I said, take a look, man. The chrome just takes away the need for those headlight tampons, you know. But take a look at the interior, white, very clean. Take a look at the back, man. Impala, very, very nice. From the Fate of the Furious. Well, there it is, guys. This is the 1 through 6. Finally got to it. So glad. But well, I'm gonna take 2 sets and I'm gonna head home. Shoot, I'm gonna take 2 sets and grab I think David is gonna want to get one of these Mazda RX-7. So yeah, but I mean, there's gonna be plenty more. So see you guys, and stay tuned. Hopefully, this video I will upload it today. Once I get home, I'm gonna work on it. Hopefully I don't fall asleep, and then I'll try and work on some other videos that I was thinking, but which I have not recorded yet. But yeah, see you guys and stay tuned. Yeah, man, take a look, guys. It is 5:27 a.m. and look how hot it is already. 89. When I got off that Walmart, my temperature reader was at 93 Fahrenheit, man. So it is hot. I know you guys might say, oh, like, he's probably just exaggerating, but I mean, it is at 89 degrees right now at 5:27 a.m. And just think about it, man. If this is the early morning, the sun is not even out. So yeah, it's kind of like crazy. But like I was saying, I had to get I got a limo tent all around, so that helps me. But still, you know, like, it's just way too hot to be hunting. But yeah, and well, I just wanted also to give a shout out to the subscribers, you know, like always. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you all for watching, and the support. You know, I know we have been busy, but it is what it is, man. Like, we have to work in order to make money to buy the Hot Wheels, you know what I'm saying? And well, that's all I wanted to say, really, because it is really, really hot. Yeah, take a look, man. You can't even see out. I really like my tent, by the way. But anyways, yeah, see you guys. And one last thing, I just wanted to congratulate those of you who have been finding supers, man, because I know a lot of people on the group, on the Facebook group, have been uploading their pictures from their supers. I just want to say, keep it up, man. Like, it's good. It's always good to find a super. Always good, man. So yeah, I really like and enjoy watching you guys saying how happy you guys get or how excited you guys are from finding a super. And that's you earned it, you know. And I'm happy to see that you guys are finding supers. So yeah, I just wanted to add that to this video right here.